So we are doing this work, value of beads. So let's start. So how many beads are touching here?
2.
2. So we'll write 2 as the value. Very good. How many beads are touching here?
Both are
3.
4 and 4. Ma'am,
4. How many beads are touching here?
4.
4. What is the value of this bead?
5.
Great. What is the value of this bead?
6.
6. What is the value?
7.
What is the value here?
8.
And what is the value here?
9.
And what is the value here?
6.
6.
So I have done 10 questions for you. Remaining 20 questions you have to do, and then we'll match the answers. Okay. So do it fast. Okay. One more thing. Listen to me very carefully. This is question number 11, 12, 13, 14. So you don't have to draw these beads. Okay. You just write the question number and that's answer. Okay. Directly write the answers. Don't waste your time in drawing it or copying it. You just write your answer directly. So start doing it. What?
Ma'am, should I send the answers in the chat?
No, there's no need. We'll match the answers. Don't worry. We will match the answers. Start doing it. Start.
1.
Yes.
Ma'am, I already got all the answers. I just
7.
can't
Write in
them.
your copy. Write in your copy. Let others do, then we'll match the answers. Okay. You have to write your answer in copy. Use your copy. We have so much work. Very good if you have done. Very nice. Akshara, have you done?
I have done.
Great.
I'm done.
Done. Great. So I'm just writing the answers. I hope all of you have done. See, there are 8 students in my class and I can see only 3 videos on my screen. Why? Start your video so that I can see you. Very good. And those who are joining it for the first time, I know you will face some difficulty. So you first watch the old videos and then you won't face any problem. Okay. You will understand every work.
Ma'am, actually, this is easy, ma'am.
Yeah, I know it is easy. Yeah, you will understand. Okay. So now I'm just writing the answers. You match your answer. This is 1, 7, 4, 8, 7, 4, 5, 8, 8, 9, 3, 4, 7, 2, 6, 8, 4, 9, 5, 1. How many of you got all the answers correct?
Ma'am, I got all the answers correct.
Very good. Excellent. That's great. Okay. Okay. So should I move to next page?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's start next page. Just give me a second. So see. Now here, you know single digit value, right?
Yes.
If there are beads on single rod, you can write easily. Okay, now look here.
1, 6.
Wait. See, how many beads are there on one rod? 1. How many beads are there on one
11.
another rod? 1. So 1, 1, 11. Now what is the value of this?
Ma'am, 26.
26.
Yes, 26. Okay, see 3 and 7. 37.
37.
Very good. 4 here, 1 here. 41. 6 here, 4 here.
64.
So now I have done again 10 questions for you. Now do remaining questions.
Okay,
Do next 10 to 20 questions. Very fast. Very good. Try to do it fast. Very good, very good. Do it fast. I know you will not take so much of time.
Over.
Ma'am, if there is no ball, it means it is zero, ma'am.
Yes, it's not ball, it's bead, okay? Yeah, and if
Ma'am, I
there is
know
no
what.
bead, you will write 0, okay? Videsh, Violet, you know what we are doing? We are doing value of bead, and I hope you will able to do it, as you already know.
ma'am, I understood.
Very good, excellent. So finish it fast. Very good, very good.
Ma'am, over.
Over, very nice. Very good. Let others do, then we'll match the answers.
Ma'am, I completed it a few minutes ago only.
Okay. Yeah, okay, I heard that time. You're
Ma'am,
telling
that-
me this for the second time. I got it.
Ma'am, not me, ma'am. Someone else.
ma'am.
Okay, done. Very good. Try to do it fast, very fast, very good. Very good, very good. Do it fast so that we can match the answers. Very good.
Ma'am, 2 minutes.
Yeah, no problem.
Ma'am, done.
Very good. All of you have done?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Am I
Yes.
Great.
80.
Very good, very good. Just okay, let's match our answers. Let's match our answers.
81, 85.
Yeah, I'm telling you. Wait. 81, 85, 92,
92,
10,
10,
12,
12,
18.
18,
Wait, let me speak. 78, 61, 55, 21, 11,
11,
22, because you see, each and everybody will get 2 voices. So keep yourself on mute. When I ask you any question, then you have to tell me, okay? Otherwise, there will be a mess, na? Nobody will get anything. So match your answers and tell me how many of you got correct answer.
Ma'am, I have got.
Ma'am, I got.
Ma'am,
I got.
Very good, very good.
Ma'am, I'm all correct.
I'm all
Okay.
correct.
Now you have to draw the beads. So you know how to draw the beads?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now finish this page. And I want to observe that who comes first in the class. Who finished this page?
Ma'am, can I?
Yeah, start doing it. No, do it on your copy. And for this now, you need to draw the rods also. Okay. So draw all the beads very fast. Very good.
Ma'am, over.
Over.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Show me. Show me. How can you draw 30 beads? Beads of 30 questions. So fast.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Shall we start from the second row or from the first row?
First row. From the first row. You start from the first row.
Okay, ma'am.
Do it fast. Very good. Draw all the beads. Very good.
Ma'am, screenshot has gone. Ma'am,
How?
you're not showing the screen.
Wait.
Yeah, ma'am,
I don't know what happened.
Screen
I
is
don't-
not presenting.
Now can you see my screen?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Start doing your work. Very good.
Ma'am,
Draw
done.
all the beads. Done. Very good, Videsh. Very good. Excellent. So let others do, then we'll match our answers. Okay. See, Videsh has done his work. So he came first. And from the next page, I will start my stopwatch just to see how much time you are taking. Okay. You have also done. Show me your work. Okay. Shushti Patel, you have also done. Very good. See, when you done, unmute yourself and tell me, ma'am, I have done. Okay. Instead of writing in chat, you can tell me, ma'am, I have done. Always tell me.
Ma'am,
Yes. Tell me. Those who have not done, do it fast. Okay, I got another message. Okay, no problem. Electricity is not there.
done, ma'am.
Done. Very good. So let's match our answers. Okay. So today is Saturday now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, just a second.
And just a minute.
What?
Ma'am, just a minute, I'm writing.
Okay, no problem. No problem, no problem. I'm waiting for you. Don't worry. Okay. What do I need to tell? Where is he? I cannot see him.
Ma'am, I'm done, ma'am.
You're done? Okay, I think now we should write the answers. Shall I write the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah,
Can
okay.
you hear my voice?
Yeah. First
Yes,
of all,
ma'am.
you tell me your name.
Ritesh.
What is your complete name?
Ritesh Gumla.
Okay, Bumla. Okay, yeah. So, Ritesh, there's no electricity at your place?
Yes, ma'am. It's very rainy.
Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am. But
So
it's shaking.
So wait, I will send work, whatever I'm sharing here. I'm just sending the work in the group so that you can do. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Wait. Yeah, I'm just sending this work in the group. Just a second. Yeah, so you can see from there also. I have sent. If it's my screen is not properly visible, you can see from there. Okay, so now we have 4. So for 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. For 2, it's 1, 2. For 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. For 6, 5 and 6. For 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For 14, 1 and 4, 14. For 19, 1 and here 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 19. Then for 21, this is 21. Now 25. This is 25. This is 58. Yes, 63. This is 71. So this is 45. Yes.
Ma'am, it's very easy.
Yeah, I know, and I know you have already done. So for you, it should be easy. But they have not done, na? $11. So I hope your answers are correct. This
Yes,
is
ma'am.
13. This is 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. And this is 19. And this is 20. Okay.
Ma'am, all
Now,
correct.
Ma'am, all correct.
All correct. I'm all correct, ma'am. But I
All correct?
cannot show because my Wi-Fi.
Okay. So how many of you got 30 out of 30?
Ma'am, I got.
Ma'am, I got all of them correct.
Ma'am, I got.
So let's do next page, okay?
There's the next page.
Here's the next page. Start doing next page, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, you write the names, we'll do that.
What? Can
Ma'am,
you
I'm
see the
saying
next page?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so start doing work here. Start doing this page.
Ma'am,
Okay,
can you
wait.
post? Ma'am, ma'am,
I will start my stopwatch. Just give me a second. Yeah.
ma'am,
1, 2, 3,
ma'am.
start.
Hello,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yes. Ritesh, tell
Ma'am,
me.
can you post this in group, ma'am? Because I cannot see your screen
This work
because I have a
also.
power.
Yes. I'm posting. Don't worry.
Because I have a power
Yeah,
cut,
yeah.
ma'am.
Don't worry. I'm sending it. I guess it's not clear. Just a second.
Ma'am, have you post?
Yeah, I have sent. You check the group. I have sent. Yeah, you can do these questions from there. Okay. You know, 1 minute is over. Whenever you finish your work, you just tell me, ma'am, I have done, so that I will be
Yes,
telling you the
ma'am,
time.
I have done. Ma'am, I have done the
You have
answers.
drawn all the beads
Yes, ma'am.
very fast, only in just 1 minute 31 seconds. You send your work on my personal number.
Okay.
Send it. I'm waiting.
Ma'am, I'm on the 21, ma'am.
Two minutes are over. Do it fast. 2 minutes are over, you know. Do it fast. Very good. Do it fast.
Ma'am, it's almost
What's the date today? Today is 28, huh?
yes, ma'am.
I'm done, ma'am.
Very good. 4 minutes 6 seconds. Aksha. 4 minutes
done.
6 seconds. 4 minute 11 seconds.
I'm done.
4 minute 15 seconds. So I think now I should match the answers. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm also done.
Okay. So let's match your answer. Here it is 12. 1, 2, 12. Here it is 32. 3, 2, 32. Here it is 56. So this is 56 and this is 79 and this is 48. This is 25. This is 89. Okay, these are 3 beads. Actually, these are not clear. Let me make it again. 8 and here 9. And here it is 6, 3, 63. Here it is 9, 4, 94. Here it is 1, 4, 14. It is 1 and 9, 19. It is 2, 1, 21. 4, 2, 42. 5, 8, 58. 6, 6, 66. 1, 0. 1, 0, 10. Okay, 1, 0, 10. Now 4, 5, 45. Now 9, 5, 95. Now 7, 7, 77. Now 3, 6, 36. 1, 3, 13. I hope you are matching your answers.
Yes, ma'am.
2, 2, 23, 22, sorry. Okay. 8, 4, 84, 1, 6, 16, 2, 4, 24, 4, 1, 41, 1, 5, 15, 2, 8, 28, 6, 9, 69. I hope you have matched your answer.
All correct. Ma'am, 30.
All correct?
All correct.
Very good. Very
All
good.
correct.
Very good. Very nice. I
Ma'am,
hope
and I
you
also got all
all. Okay, now let me stop my stopwatch. Okay, let's do next page now. Okay, this is matching. No, we are not going to do it. So now write all the values. I know you don't have to draw the beads, so you will take only 1 minute to do this page. Yeah, Akshara, tell me.
Ma'am, there's like 2 like boxes, right? So do we write the first number on the top box and the second number on the bottom box?
No, 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 no. How you have to do, you just write question 1. What is the value of this? 11. So write 11. Question 2. What is the value? This 2, 3, 23. This is how. You just write answers only in your copy, 55. Do it this way.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, do it in your copy.
Ma'am, done.
Done. Very good. Very good. Just let others do, then we'll match the answers. Very good. All of you, have you done?
No, ma'am.
Write all the values. Yeah, write it fast. Very good.
Almost done.
Done.
Ma'am, last one.
Why? Why? What happened? Try to do it fast. Yes, good.
Ma'am, all done.
All
ma'am.
done. Very good. Very good. All done. That's great.
Ma'am, done.
Done. Okay. So
No, ma'am.
now we are going to match the answers. And who just joined? Kohinoor. Start your video. I want. Where is Kohinoor? I cannot see her. Yeah. Hi. You got late. Why?
Yeah, sorry, my app wasn't working. I had to log in.
Okay, okay, no problem. So right now today we are doing value of beads. In the last class we learned how to draw the beads. So today beads are already drawn and we are just writing the values. Okay. So it is not difficult for you and I will upload the video. Don't worry on YouTube so you can see from there also. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Yeah. So now what is the value? Check your answer. Start checking your answer. 11. 23, 55, 31, 25, 21, 71, 34, 24, 57, 32, 52, 29, 63, 74, 34, 28, 55, 67, 83, 23, 78. I'm unable to use that for 63, 55, 81, 76, 12, 19, 82, 43. So I hope
All correct.
all answer correct.
Ma'am, all correct. Ma'am,
All
37.
Correct.
Very good. Very nice. Very nice. So let's start next page. Okay. So start writing values. And I hope you will not take so much of time. Like 17, one bead is on this rod. The value on one rod is 7 and value on one rod is 10. Sorry, 1. So 1 and 7, 17. Start writing. Sanchita, are you getting something?
I
Very
actually
good.
knew the
Yeah,
beat
that's
that-
why I'm asking now. Are you getting anything?
Yes, ma'am, I actually know the beat values.
Okay, okay. That's great. Yeah. So start writing values. And after that, we'll match our answers, okay? Very good. Do it fast. Do it fast. Very good. Very nice. I know you all can do. Excellent. After that, we'll do some image practice also. Okay.
Ma'am, done.
Done. Very good. Who has done? Aditi, you have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What about others?
I'm last one, ma'am.
I'm doing.
Very good. Very good. Very good.
I'm done. Ma'am,
I can see. Very good. Very good. If you have done, let's
Ma'am,
match
done.
the answers. I can see one new. Who is this? DVS. Unmute yourself. DVS Vishwanath. Okay. So are you ready? All of you, I hope you have done.
No, ma'am.
Yes,
Shall we
ma'am.
match the answers? Okay. So now let's match the answer. What is the first value? Who is going to tell me? Yes,
Ma'am,
Aditi.
17.
17. Okay, you all of you tell me. What is the second one?
Ma'am, 32.
And
32. Third one?
86.
86. The fourth one?
9.
9. Very good. Very good. The fifth one?
22.
22.
Okay, next.
12.
12. Next.
18.
And
Next.
18.
15.
15. Very good. It's 15. Next.
27.
Who said
27.
17? It's 20. Yeah, it's 27. Next.
3.
Good.
3.
3. No, it's not 30. You know how to make 30. See,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
write 30 like this now. So 3 on 10 slot, and for ones on one slot, there should not be any beat. This would be 30. Okay. So next, this one,
Ma'am,
74.
74. Next,
23.
And 23.
next,
16.
And
very
16.
good. Next,
79.
79. Next,
27.
oh yes, it's not 27, it's 28. 28. Next,
69.
69. Good. Next,
46.
46.
next,
97.
98.
next.
67.
This one.
99.
No, it's not 68.
88.
It's 67. Then 88. Yes. Now the next. This one.
Ma'am, 16.
16.
This one.
39.
39. This one.
39.
Ma'am,
77.
77. Correct. Okay. This one.
Ma'am, 55.
55. This one.
Ma'am, 60.
68. This one.
97.
7.
Very
97.
good. That means you are getting it. Next one.
46.
46. Next one.
Ma'am,
87.
87.
Next one.
27.
28. It's not 27. It's 28. The next one.
7.
79. Very
79.
good. Very good. Okay. Now we'll not move ahead. Right? So I will send you some homework also. Or we will do tomorrow. This work we'll do tomorrow. Now let's do some image practice. Okay. So you know already how to do it. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So I will start this, and it should be image. It should be 2000, and number of rows. Let's make it 10. So let's start. Start speaking.
2,
2, 6,
6.
9, 2,
Good.
8,
Very good.
9,
6,
8,
8,
2,
2,
1,
1. Finish.
0.
So see, I want to listen a single voice.
Ma'am, can I?
okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yeah. So start again. Let's start again.
13.
Ma'am, 8,
1,
4,
4,
9,
9,
6,
6,
3, 5,
5,
5,
7,
7,
9,
9,
1,
1,
0.
done.
Ma'am,
Okay.
52.
One more time. One more time.
7, 6, 5, 7,
10,
1,
1,
3,
3,
8,
8,
5,
8,
7,
7. Good. Done. Very good. Okay. Now, keep your tool in front of you. Let's do some tool practice.
ma'am.
Okay, I can see some students are new. So you first go through the videos. Again, I'm telling you, right? I have uploaded the videos on the channel and you will get the link on the group, right? From there,
Okay,
first
ma'am.
you watch all the videos and then I will upload today's video also. So from there, you can go through the videos, right? And you can revise the previous work and you can learn whatever we have done in the first and second class, right? So I hope
Okay, ma'am.
if you are joining tomorrow, so I want you to watch those videos. Okay, now keep your tool in front of you and let's start making numbers. So you know which hand do we use on tool?
Ma'am, right hand.
Who told you right,
Right
hand?
hand.
We start making finger counting from right hand, but on tool, we always use our left hand. Okay. If this is
Okay,
my
ma'am.
left hand, your left hand will be, yes, Videsh, correct. Opposite to my hand. Yes. So we will be doing visualization with left hand. We will be doing work on tool with left hand only. Right? So keep your tool in front of you and start making numbers. Move one bead and touch to the value bar. Make one on your tool. On your tool, one bead up with the help of thumb. And when you remove the bead, remove it with the help of index finger. Very good, Videsh. Two beads up with the help of thumb. Remove with the help of index finger. Make three with the help of thumb. Remove three with the help of index finger. Make four with the help of thumb. Remove four with the help of index finger. And you know on which rod we make the number, from which rod we start making numbers? From the center rod only. Yeah, middle rod. Okay, let's do it one more time. Make one. Remove one. Make two. Remove two. Make three. Remove three. Make four. Remove four. Make five. Five with the index finger only. Bring upper bead down. Bring upper bead down. Make five with the index finger. Very good. And remove five with the index finger only. Okay. Now you know how to make six. Pinch in. Yes, very good, Mahavir. I can see. Pinch out. Very good. Now 7. Pinch in. Yes, Anjita. We need this tool. Very good. Now pinch out and remove 7. Pinch in. Make 8. Pinch out. Remove 8. Pinch in. Make 9. Pinch out. Remove 9. Let's do it again. Make 1. Remove 1. With index finger. Make 2. remove 2 with index finger, make 3 with thumb, remove 3 with index finger, make 4 with thumb, remove 4 with index finger, make 5 with index finger, remove 5 with index finger, pinch in 6, pinch out 7, pinch in 7, pinch out 7. By mistake, I said 7. Pinch in 8, pinch out 8. Pinch in 9, pinch out 9. Okay. And in next class, I want tool with everyone. You know, each of you should have your tool. Okay. So when we are going to have a next class, we are going to have a next class tomorrow. Hitesh, you are late. You
Okay,
know
ma'am.
this thing? Now
Oh,
class
sorry.
is about to over. But
sorry,
don't worry, you can see today's class on YouTube. Okay, you just watch
thought-
the video, and so from for tomorrow, the class will be held on same time. Okay, so now
Okay.
I am going to end the class. Okay, and we'll meet
Okay.
tomorrow. Okay, bye.
I thought
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
thank you.
Bye everyone. Yeah,
Thank you
Hitesh,
for
today's
teaching.
bye bye. Today's class was from 6 to 7. Okay,
Oh.
Ma'am, today's
bye.
homework.
Bye.
No homework. You have other subject to learn now. There's no homework in this class. Don't worry.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
But I just need tool in next class. Okay. Yeah. Bye. 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 Bye.
do we need a big scale or is it a small scale?
No. If you need a book, I will be telling you. Don't worry. Okay. And I will be giving you. I will give you book. Okay. I will be sending you soft copy. You just take out the print. Okay. Yeah. So bye.